Understanding the phrase, season of abundance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase, season of abundance. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's used in various contexts to convey a sense of plentifulness and prosperity. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your English vocabulary effectively. The phrase, season of abundance, refers to a period when there is a lot of something available. It's a time of plenty. The word, season, doesn't only mean one of the 4 periods into which the year is divided, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, but it can also refer to any period characterized by a particular feature. Abundance means a very large quantity of something. So, when combined, the phrase paints a picture of a time filled with prosperity and bountifulness, whether it's in nature, economy, or personal life. You can use season of abundance in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Literally, it might refer to a time of year when crops are harvested, and there's a lot of food available. Metaphorically, it can describe any period in life where there is plenty of something, such as happiness, love, or success. Example sentences. After years of hard work, the artist entered a season of abundance, with exhibitions and sales flourishing. The farmer looked forward to the autumn, the season of abundance, when the fields would yield their crops. Understanding and using the phrase, season of abundance, allows you to express a concept of plenty and prosperity eloquently. It's especially useful in writing and speech that aims to inspire or describe significant periods of success or natural bounty. This phrase also encourages a positive outlook, reminding us that periods of abundance can and do occur in various aspects of life. To effectively learn and remember phrases like season of abundance, try to use them in your own sentences. Write them down, include them in your daily conversations, or even create short stories where these phrases fit naturally. Contextual learning helps solidify your understanding and makes it easier to recall and use these expressions accurately. We hope this exploration of the phrase, season of abundance, enriches your English vocabulary and enhances your ability to express ideas of plenty and prosperity. Remember, every language learning journey has its own season of abundance. It's all about finding and embracing it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!